What's up, y'all? Wanted to share a really useful feature if you prospect into local businesses. So if you've ever sold to like landscaping companies, roofing companies, construction, nonprofits, etc., these types of businesses, you probably know that most of the data providers don't have very good data for these types of companies. And so when I've done this and I'm working with a couple of clients who target these types of businesses, I used to sell to nonprofits for a while as well. And when you're prospecting these types of companies, you just usually have to do a bunch of manual research on Google to find all the information. And it's not as easy as just going into a data provider, scraping a list, and then putting it into your sales engagement tool. And so I wanted to just quickly share Clay's feature for this because it's really unique. And for one specific reason, when you're selling to these types of businesses, having locational social proof is super helpful. For example, if you open an email with, "Hey, we just helped so and so landscaping company down the street from you. Would you be open to hearing how we can do the same thing for you?" That's a super impactful message, right? Like that type of social proof of local businesses usually catches their attention and can get a lot of responses. And so in Clay, they have this feature called Finding Local Businesses with Google Maps. You can go in and let's just say I closed a landscaping company in Manhattan. I can expand the map to share to look for similar companies in the area, and then just type in landscaping companies, and then show me 50 results. And now it's just basically searching Google for all of the landscaping companies in that map region that I selected. And from here, I can go in and find the emails for the owners or whatever persona I'm reaching out to, a bunch of information. But yeah, it's just a super quick way to find this information. I wanted to ask if y'all know of any other good data providers for finding local businesses. Drop them in the comments because I'm trying to test out different ones. But so far, this has been the coolest feature I've seen for finding local businesses.